Test. Okay, I think it should be fine. Okay, so overall, even so, I will be watching 139,500 for price to break below and then continue bearish. But I suppose there's been some negative news coming from the UK, so that's why we saw this big push down. So if price already formed support previously during Asia, giving us a higher low over here, so by right it should have gone up following the higher time frame bullish bias, but I think the negative news didn't help the situation, so it came down. So if we were looking for shorts, this range is a bit tight given where the candle closed. It's only 20, and I would have liked for it to make a top wick first before coming down. So just take note that if you're selling it short, there is a previous support here at 139,500 that I can see on the 4 hour before we have clean moves down to 139. Hey Jay, finally made it. You didn't have work today?
Finally, yeah. I woke up early. I'm on vacation also.
Yeah, that's nice. So looks like you got the news that you wanted for it to break out below.
Yeah, I got it finally. I was looking at it, but in parallel I was working on my computer. Yeah, when I saw the alert, then I realized, okay, yeah, I moved quite a lot already.
Yeah. I had, because if you look at the Discord, I sent the idea for longs earlier in the morning during Asia because I saw this 4 hour support that was forming. It was weak, so I was still watching it. It was a paper trade idea that I had. So the fact that this candle already broke its support means the idea is invalid. So I think the news probably gave it a shove down. Yeah. Unfortunate. Yeah.
139,500, I think then
Maybe much.
Down, so, yeah.
Yeah, correct.
Smoother.
Yeah, it's cleaner because the range here is really tight. Like,
Really tight.
yeah, even if you got it 20, it's a bit tough to put your stop.
True. I mean, it would be a guesswork to put the stop.
Yeah, we'll see. Because it just pushed down first, it didn't really create a top wick, so I'm not super comfortable taking it yet.
Yeah.
So we might be tapping into that support now. Yeah, my neighbors. AJ, is the drilling really loud? Is the drilling loud? like in the background? Or is it?
A little bit. It's okay. It's okay. It's
Okay.
fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it's too loud, let me know.
Yeah. Yeah.
I can't help it. They all decided to renovate. Did I take into consideration the 1 hour support to the left?
Yeah.
This one here.
And this one, right?
Yeah. Yes, I do take it into consideration. But the main key factor of taking a trade at this time is volume. So with volume, it should break this minor support level, the 1 hour support, and continue lower.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah, at
we'll
least
see.
139,500 is expectable. Then
Yeah.
we need further volume to break it down.
Yeah.
We have like almost how many days? 3-4 days support. Day candle forming a support.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth. Yesterday is also rejected that area.
Yeah. Exactly.
Today also it's kind of rejecting as of now, but let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like the higher time frames is bullish,
Yeah.
but I still feel like based on my understanding of GJ, I still feel that it would continue up. So the fact that it's still holding above this support here,
Yeah.
it's still giving me hope for the buys, but it's just that the buys have not appeared yet. It's still early, I think.
Buys are above 140. 140 I see clean.
Cleaner. Yeah. Yeah, it's cleaner for sure.
Well, I have a question.
Yeah.
If you look at the monthly chart, it seems like GJ is forming a descending channel.
Yeah. This, right?
Yeah. If you go to the monthly chart.
Hang on, let me zoom out.
Yeah. Yeah, you see.
This.
Yeah, just look at.
Oh shit, that's the worst channel ever.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, and here. Yeah.
Yeah. So based on that, I was expecting like 2 days ago, like when I sent you the chart, I was expecting that it will just tap a little bit up and then come down. Because but just by looking at the channel.
Yeah.
I don't know how much sense does that make, but
it's definitely. So the thing is, GJ has been falling on the monthly, right? But
yeah.
We also have more recent price action of this.
Yeah, I actually saw that.
Yeah, so it reached the top of the channel. It could be why it's having a reaction to come down short. But that being said, I think we should, as long as it doesn't break below 500, I'm not going to sell it yet. I feel it's going to be difficult to sell it.
Yeah, 139,500 is the best place to
Yeah.
sell actually.
Yeah, but neither am I going to buy anything.
Yeah. I mean, buy is 140. I'm comfortable with 140 break.
Yeah. Because even if I do take this trade down, I won't even hit it with full risk personally if I were trading live. If it flips bearish after rejecting this previous support here, this support, and flips below the body, you could get a quick scalp down to the 500 level, but don't be greedy and try to go beyond. Yeah, that's what I think. C4 hour at 139.
Yo, sup.
Hello.
How are you?
Hello.
I didn't post in New York because like I felt like I was spamming the chat because yesterday there was a tiny bit of conversation in Slack about my.
I just could never understand why you posted in New York in the first place.
No, because when I posted in London, right? People are chatting, so my thing disappears really quickly. Yeah, that's why I posted it in New York, but I realized it looks a bit spammy, so I stopped it.
Cool. Did you catch the GJ move on 30 minutes?
No. I needed it to close below this support, which was this giant candle. Yeah. So like what Jay and I were discussing just now, if this flips bearish, it could be a very quick scalp down to 500. Yeah, but it is a very quick move, so you gotta measure your risk reward. Because right now it looks like it's only 1-to-1. So I don't really it's not exactly tickling my fancy. No, I mean I'm still not trading. I'm just watching. I don't like the way structure is forming, to be honest. I'm only going to trade live next week. Rico, I think the sells here, I think you got it on the pullback, if I'm guessing correctly. I think you got it on the pullback, but the fact that this bullish candle closed back into your range, right? To me, this was a bit risky. I would have taken it when it came back down after it formed the new resistance here on this next candle. So this one. Because if it pushed back into the range, it could then continue to range inside here, which is where you entered. Yeah, so just be careful. Either way, if you take it here and your stop loss here, still not that big. It's almost the same as this, I think. But with more confirmations, because you would have broken and closed below your resistance over here. How do I know which one is minor and which one is strong? The higher the time frame, the stronger the zone. So if you look at my zones, right? The gray boxes that I have marked out are usually lower time frame zones like 30, 15, and maybe the 1 hour. So the rest of it are higher time frame zones. You'll see very strong rejections at those areas. So they are stronger zones are plotted in lines for me. So this is definitely a 30-minute support. I think it's the 1 hour as well. Yeah, 1 hour support as well. So I want to see if it holds, and then the volume can try to take it down for like 12 to 15 pips at most. Manish, you know yesterday's 4-hour trade, right? I was looking at it. I don't know whether I explained it. Or maybe I was thinking in my head, I forgot. So the fact that there were so many rejections here, right? I think when this candle made that top wick to the zone and it flipped bearish, that was the entry. Yeah, at the 4-hour close. Before London. Because this formed, right? I think these two you were watching pre-London open also. These two formed at that 4-hour close before London. So it just needed to break below the bodies. That would have been the best sell, I think. Because this is definitely a strong zone.
That was like 100 pips, huh?
This one... yesterday I had a zone at 300. 60 plus to 300. Yeah, because 300 was a previous resistance that I had on the daily, based on all these candles forming. So yeah, around between 200 to 400. But the thing is, this candles just smashed right through it, so seems like it's invalid now.
Question. Does that resistance matter? Resistance or support? Does that price zone matters? Because there's this bullish candle which moved through that zone, right?
Yeah.
So will that still matter in the future?
That's why I removed it, because I think it could still come back to test, but it's definitely not as strong as last week.
Okay.
Yeah, the fact that it smashed through, and then it closed literally a daily candle closed above.
Close above, yeah.
Yeah, correct. But the next one just came back down below into the range again. So I would still keep it on, but to me, I know it has lost some of its validity.
Okay.
Yeah. So I see candle breaking a higher time frame as stronger confirmations. No, it's not that. Let's say if I'm coming to a higher time frame zone, if a candle, okay, so if I look at this daily line alone, right? Let's say the candle closes like this. So if I'm shift my line and the candle closes through like this, let's say we take this daily candle, for example. If it closes really weak like this, I wouldn't touch it. I wouldn't sell it because it just tapped into the zone and then came out. But if the candle just broke really strong like this with a huge body, more than half of the body goes through the zone, then yes, I would consider it to be a strong break. Yeah, so for higher time frame zones, I literally want the body to just go through. So if we look at this 140 300 zone that I had, right, if I push it forward, look at how the next candle just smashed right through the zone. So it sat there for a bit, struggled for a bit, formed support, rejected, and then boom, one big candle through the zone. So because this is a daily, but versus if you look at a 4-hour zone, so this is supposed to be weaker, right? So if it's weaker, look at the size of the candles, it's different. Yeah, that's what I've noticed.
Okay, so this is irrespective of the time, whether it's daily or 4-hour. So as long as, so even if it's a 1-hour zone, as far as what you're looking at is for the candle to smash through properly, like to go through and not just sit on top of it or just go through a little bit.
Yeah, basically, if it's a higher time frame zone, the candles will take longer to break it. If you're looking at the smaller time frames, so they will just bounce around the line for a bit and then boom, one big candle. But if it's a lower time frame zone, like for example, if it's if we look at, okay, hang on. If you look at this minor level here, this was support yesterday, right? Just one candle, boop, done. It didn't even have to dance around at the zone. It just broke through the support. Yeah, because this is a 30-minute support. This one here, yeah. Versus a 4-hour, you just keep poking at it until it breaks through. Yeah.
Okay, which is why if it manages to break through,
it shows something.
Then that's a good. Okay.
Yeah, it gives me more significance. Yeah. That's why when this to Jay's question just now, I had 140 300 marked up, but I also had daily candles breaking through it and going through it with bodies. So it makes me think like 140 300 is not very important to GJ anymore. It could be 141. That's why I'm keeping these two levels at the back of my mind and on the chart. What's with the later live streams? Because I tutor little kids, right? My kids started school, so I literally just rushed home. That's why I have to start at London Open. So come March, I might have some scheduling issues which I need to work out as well. But it's the last year I'm teaching the kids, so it's got to finish. No, Martin, you are too old. I only teach cute little kids. Why are you at the gym? That's why you're on YouTube.
Did you trade New York last night?
No, I didn't. But I was listening to Uncle Ted and his goal analysis.
Like it's too late for me. It's really hard for me to stay up. It's like 1:30 in the night.
Oh, but yesterday's New York session trade was quite late as well for them. They had to wait a bit. I think it might have been like close to 2 for you even. If 1 hour candle closes below 695, clean sell still 500. Yeah, you could also, if you're looking at the way the structure is forming now, this next candle needs to be a resistance. If not, it was just a fake out to continue back up into this area. Yeah, so this needs to form a resistance. You took the shot just now, Manish?
I did. I was just gonna say, I forgot I'm on mute, so I can't really speak same time. It might create a resistance over here. What do you reckon?
Oh, you mean push back up and then come down, is it?
Yeah.
Possibly, yes. The thing is this move was because of this news. Like, that was the only news that I saw coming out at that point in time. So I think they are doing some more restrictions from the UK. So it's just tentatively bearish, like with all the rest of the news coming from the lockdown. That's why price just pushed up. But on the higher time frame, it is, I will be really interested to see what happens at 500. And I think price is trying to
Going into complete lockdown. It's like even lockdown. Like if someone comes out, they're gonna shoot something.
yeah. But if this 30 closes back up, then high chance that was the fake out is done. Yeah, future way. I thought it would be bullish also because during London, sorry, not London, during Asia it formed support. So this support that was formed, it was weak, yes, but it respected this previous support on the 4 hour. So I also thought it would go up long and then the news came up. So we'll see. I think Alexi's finishing up his coursework. So I think he'll only come back next week.
Where is he?
I think he's finishing up his coursework for uni. So he's only coming back next week, I think.
At first, I heard you said he's finishing up his nurse work. I'm like, okay.
No, coursework. Coursework.
And where is Mrs. Jiski?
You know, he wanted to come on yesterday after you left. And then he took so long. I was like, bye bro, I'm going off. He went back to sleep. I'm going to disturb them.
So I've decided I'm gonna go ahead with FTML.
Ah, okay.
Some comparison. So yeah, I'll just go with the very basic one. 10,000.
Yeah, just to get a feel for it.
Yeah, and that's more than enough for me. I don't want to go crazy, you know. Someone give me $100,000 account and I suddenly go 50 lots, 30 lots. That would be just
Nah, it takes a whole different mindset to trade a big account. Yeah. Imagine seeing, example, if you were trading like a 10k account now, instantly you upsize your account 100 times. All your losses would be upsized as well, don't forget. Imagine a drawdown 1 pip now becomes $100 when it was usually $1. Yeah, it's not funny. That's how I took a big loss at the beginning of the year. I upsized too fast when I wasn't even ready. So I learned my lesson the hard way. Like there are people that are greedy and just go bam 100k, but no.
No point.
No point. Yeah. Someone told me once, like on my Instagram, greed will make you bleed. I made it into a post. If you blow the 100k account, FTM will be so happy because they get to keep your subscription.
Yep.
Yep.
You can't blow the real 100k account.
Yeah, look at that wick. It just rejected right to that support that you drew.
Yesterday, after going off the call, I did a GA chart analysis. That this is what I'm expecting to happen. Literally touched that particular line overnight and boom, drop.
Which line? What price?
It was on my Instagram.
Oh, let me see. Should you enter on GJ sell now? I'm not. So there's no reason to sell it yet. I will only sell it if it manages to reject and flip below this body. As of now, there's nothing. The candle is bullish. How do you enter shots on a bullish candle? Yeah, Romin, just let it confirm first. Because if it goes back up into the range, right, then very high chance you'll get your stop hit. Wait, you posted it on your story, Manish? Oh,
Yes.
Post. Oh, okay. Let me see.
Is it still there?
Yeah, it is. What time frame was it?
Hang on, let me have a look. Must have been 15 or 30.
Okay. Yeah, is this test, I think. Let me see. I'll post, hang on. Yeah, this one. This support here. Tested, and then this was the trade. Here, you took it here. My big loss on a big account, it was live. I literally only started proper prop this year because like I just wanted to do it for entertainment. I never traded prop before this. Because people are asking me about prop, they're asking me for my opinion about it. I don't have one because I've never tried it, so I will form one after I have tried it. Yeah. Manish is in New Zealand. Yeah, Martin, I was with M4 and then I rebalanced my... Remember I told you my copier had issues? So I pushed my M5 prop account back to break even. Then after they let me restart it for free. Because my trade copier did not close the partials. MACD is an indicator. If you want to find out how to use it, just Google MACD baby peeps. Used to eat. Yeah, just I don't use it. I'm not super familiar, so I don't want to teach it. Yeah, just use baby pips. It's like easy understanding. They've dumbed it down for all the beginner traders, so this should help you. Then go to YouTube and then see how people use it if you want to use it and test it out yourself. Personally, I don't use indicators anymore. I used to use them, I don't anymore. The only sort of indicator I use is the fib, but even then, that's not really counted. Martin, you're irritating. I thought you're busy. Oh, you just painted your room. Let's see if this 15 can form some kind of resistance. Because he already rejected twice to that minor support level on the 15. So if it doesn't screw up your risk reward to 139,500, it could be a potential entry down short for that quick move down. But just bear in mind it's against the higher time frame trend, so just measure your risk accordingly. So the 15 is breaking its own support. There's still volume because it is London Open. So those people that like to take impulse entries, this could be potential. Vin, my neighbor, is drilling because they are renovating. Biggles. Hello, Biggles. Do I take a trade after this candle? No. So there's a few ways of taking this. Say first let it close. It has to close below the support. Then you just have to measure and see if you have enough risk reward, because this area here is strong support on the 4 hour. So if there's not enough range, then you might not be able to take a trade. Unless you want to take a riskier entry when price breaks below the body as an impulse entry. If your stop loss above here, just understand that it is risky, that's all. Not impossible, just riskier, because you didn't let the candle close. So take it however you want, both are possible, just size accordingly. How do I analyze my trend to take entry on the 15? I draw my zones up on the higher time frame, so that's why you can see the numbers on the right side, and then I watch for structure to break on the lower time frame.
Zoom is killing my CPU.
What kind of strategy is a wobble? Is apiary fun on YouTube, Wes? Divesh, I just explained. So I go onto the daily. I start from the higher time frames. I draw up my zones, and then I wait on the lower time frames like the 15 and the 30 for price to break those structures. So gray areas are my lower time frame zone. So like this one, it broke, so I was just waiting to trade short. Use this as an example of $2,500 account taking multiple trades every 2 pips. Oh. Yeah, that's just averaging in. But is his, like, how does he know where to enter? Freighter minus 20. Where are you from again? I forgot. Oh, no wonder. What's the lowest time frame I look at? 5. 5 minutes.
Where's Ace today?
I think it's... Oh wait, he's not working. I don't know. Maybe the stream was boring, so he didn't come on. The 1 hour flip would perish, so I think it's gonna come down after doing that rejection to that support. So 2 more minutes. If this resistance forms like this, it will be a bit tight. Then for 18, maybe, if it doesn't close too big.
$139,500 is the target.
Yeah.
I mean, if it crosses 139,500, it's a clean traffic on the left.
Yeah, you should close the bulk of your position at 500. The rest is bonus.
I'm not in though.
Yeah, I'm just watching for the close.
Are you gonna wait for the top wick?
Yes. Because there is, after all, like if we look at the left here, right, this area was rejections to continue up. So right now, price is at the area. It rejected. It kind of rejected. Just that this candle is still forming, the latest one. So I definitely, if I was trading this, I wouldn't hit it with full risk. I just half for the chance of it clearing the candles down to 500. So I would take it only with the flip, I think. I wouldn't take it immediately on the close. But I like the way this candle is closing below its most recent structure. So if you take it, stop loss above, TP1 is here. Yeah, because 4 hour, 1 hours, everything's bearish. This rejection was a good rejection on the 1 hour also. George, I'm not trading live this week, so. But how I analyze the markets and how I would take the trade is exactly how I'm explaining. Doesn't have a top wick. Baby top wick. Yeah. So you can also enter when it breaks. Since there's no top wick, you can also enter when it breaks the wick low, aggressive stops above. Because even if it flips up, right, you don't want the trade anymore. Because it could go back into this range. So you just be trading the momentum to come down. If I eat mangoes, will the trade go our way? Like Raja? And his mango power juice.
Come on, GJ, touch 139,500.
You got in when it broke the wick.
Yeah.
When there's no top wick, I'll just wait for the bottom wick to break and then aggressive stops here.
My stops are only at 5 pips, 139,680.
Yeah, just above this one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are my main pairs this year? GJ. I'm still with GJ. I've never left it for 7 years. I'm still looking at gold, but I just haven't gone live on it yet. Should give you 10 fairly easily, I think. We broke below the wicks. It's clean now on the left.
My pip counter has stopped working. I'm struggling. I'm not really sure how many pips.
You're using MT5, right?
Yeah, I'm on 5 or 6 pips, something like that.
Right click on your profit column. Change it to points. Change the volume thing. If you right click on profit, right, then there's a volume, then there's lots and amounts. Change it to lots. And you can see. What happened to your pip counter? If the 1 hour breaks this, I would sell it only with the retest, Bochuan. But right now, I called out the sells earlier. So I'm not trading, but I called it out. So if you're paying attention, you have caught it. Break of this wick. Oops. Break of this wick. Stop loss above. TP. Beyond that, less likely because it's a 4-hour support. So maybe I should just put it on like this. Stop loss above, TP here. Like this. So if you think price is going to break below 500, then just leave a tiny position on, because it is clean once it breaks below 500. But personally, I would rather get out, wait for price to break, retest, and then come down. You managed to find it, Manish? The points?
Nope.
You have to right click on the profit column though. What do you see when you right click? Below trailing stop there's a volume, right? On MT5.
Yes, yes, I do have it.
Yeah, if you click volume, then there's lots and amounts, right?
There's points. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
It shows me 54, 55 points. Okay,
Yeah, that's
so
5.
pips.
Yeah, correct. So I use that, so I don't see the amount. I see pips only.
Oh, perfect. That's perfect.
Hmm.
Remember the one that you referred me before? It would show me on the screen itself how many pips I'm up, how many pips I'm down.
Yeah.
So I had to actually uninstall my MT5. It was giving me a lot of problems. Since I've reinstalled it, I did install exactly the same one before, but it's not working. I just have to troubleshoot it a little bit. We are very close to 139,500.
Mm-hmm. Please get ready to take profits.
I'm going to take 80% off, leave a small runner.
Yeah. The runner will pay off so well. Given the nature of GJ, do I think it will retest 139.5 if this hourly breaks that level? Yes. It will retest as a wick. This candle will break. Next candle will test as a wick. Boop. But at this time, it will break and then it will not come straight down, because this timing the volume is not there anymore. Ooh, I forgot to check news. What news? Euro news. Anything else? This passenger car thing, I don't think it's very important. Yeah, that's European news.
Oh, see that rejection. Shit.
Yeah. Nasty. The 30 still looks strong though. This 30 is gonna close strong below that support. Did it move 10? I think it did, right?
No, I only had 8. I did not press the button. So yeah, now in losses. It's alright.
Nah, but you didn't take it with full risk, right?
No, half.
Yeah. Watching the 30. My mango didn't have enough power. I need to eat more. If GJ breaks this resistance on the 5, this is the latest resistance that you can find in terms of structure. If it breaks this, right, you need to be off the trade, because you will definitely hit the stop after that. I've got 3 more minutes. So far, if we look at the higher time frames, 30 still looks okay. So we might have to give it some time. Plus, if you size down, I think it's fine. Sorry, what?
Maybe another 30 minutes should get us down if it's not rejecting that level.
Yeah.
Looks like it just went up to take the stop loss as a break even from some people.
Yeah. I think if you, for me personally, if I knew I already entered and I had an aggressive stop, I would just leave it, because I already sized down. So there's no way to cut my losses. I just had to size down on this.
Yeah, I didn't do anything. But if it touches the 8 pips again, I'll cut 80%.
Because you already rejected one, so it's better to be safe.
Yeah.
Let me try and find you some structure.
Yep. I've cut 80% at about 73.7 something.
Looks like it's gonna barely close above 500, I think. The way it's coming down. Because if this close was strong on the hour, it would just boop, go straight through, but no. So 500, we need to be careful at 500. Let's see if it hits my TP. Come on! But you're not closing anymore at 500, right, Manish? Just leaving the rest to go down.
Yeah, I'm leaving. It's only 20%, and I'm not gonna move the stop loss. It's only 5 pips. So if it hits my stop loss, it's alright. Thank you. Good for trade. Good for call.
Not the usual size that we're used to. But oh well, blue is blue.
Blue is blue. Yes, that's what matters. I've got another position going on, GA, which is going amazing. Don't ask me about the entry because it was a stupid entry. I'll see the chat. This thing is just killing my PC.
Zoom is killing your PC.
Yeah. I need a bit of.
When I first started trading, my account was 10k, I think. 10k USD. 10 to 15, I can't really remember.
I've just into the chart on GA.
Let's see. Oh, here.
Oh, look at GJ. Oh,
Wait.
wow.
500.
So where do you think it's gonna form new resistance?
GJ?
640, 650, yeah. Do you think it's gonna retrace a bit and then come down?
800. 139, 800. That's the latest support on the 1 hour.
And you're looking at 30-minute?
I think it's the same zone. Let me see. Yeah, support, then it became resistance. So if it wants to test, it might go up to 800 and then come back down. Looks like I missed my paper TP. So close. Did I lose the 10k for starting? No, I never blew up an account. I just lost like 70% of the account and that was enough. I didn't have to hit 0 to be scared and to find and to take my trading more seriously. Manage is be not a Indian word.
What is it?
What does be not mean? Oh, Jay.
What? Sorry?
I don't know. Wait, see the chat. What does this mean? I don't understand it.
Oh, Binod. But this was I don't know, someone on, I guess, on some social media platform, he just wrote this name Binod, and that became really viral for some reason.
Oh, like.
Yeah, there's no base for it. It was just like Binod, and people started, typing in these messages Binod on every text.
What the hell?
Viral, yeah.
So, who is Binod? How we create the viral meme? What?
You see, there's a wiki page on it.
Damn, what's the point?
Oh, it's already news, man.
Yeah.
What a waste of resource.
Yeah.
Nah, I thought he was scolding me. I was about to block him.
Can somebody write please?
No. That's just
Because someone scolded me before in a language I didn't understand.
this is just a name, a person's name,
Oh, I am BL.
No. L, this is not what they called you. They were using swear word, isn't it?
Yeah, previously it was a swear word.
Oh, really?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Binod is just a name. It doesn't mean anything.
Nah, I'm just wondering. How am I doing with the Go strategy? I'm still testing it.
Okay, I'm gonna leave the runner.
Mm-hmm.
the FX permission to leave.
Yes, sir.
So tired of standing. Hey, are you standing or sitting? Or are you sitting down?
I gave up. I sat down.
How come?
I'm tired. I'll stand again later.
I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good luck.
Bye.
Thank you for calling such an awesome trade. See you guys.
See you.
See you, Jay. See you. Bye.
Bye.
Do I trade crude oil? No. No, Martin. I've seen that word before. J Benchot is a bad word, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, stupid Martinez. I've seen it before. I think the person called me that.
Oh.
Yeah,
It doesn't make sense. They're calling this to a girl.
Why? What does it mean?
Okay. Maybe I'll type it on a personal message. I don't want to follow.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that.
Okay.
One question.
Mm.
Like rate below 139, 450 would be a good sell. It would be an impulsive entry if I enter now.
I don't suggest an impulse entry.
No.
Because there's no volume. With impulse entries, you need volume.
Volume.
Yeah. Because with impulse entries, the stops are quite tight. Because the entry itself is aggressive. So right now, price never even broke or closed.
Below.
Yeah, it never closed below. So don't take the impulse entries. Yeah.
I should keep that in mind. Thanks. I'll message you on the private area.
Yeah, do it on Discord. Yeah, if you do it here, everyone still can see.
Yeah.
After my 70% loss, did I pump fresh funds? No, I went to get educated first and then I traded it up. So I brought the account back up to like, I think I was only left with like 3+K, I remember. Yeah, I took really long to trade it back up. Benchot is a bad word. That's all I know.
Yeah, look at your Discord.
Okay.
Yeah.
It doesn't make sense.
Yeah, that's what I say. It doesn't make sense. If they
It's...
call it to a guy, then it makes sense. Perfectly.
But why? But it literally has like a female and then a bad word.
Sorry?
It's like, but as in it makes sense for a girl, no?
Yeah, it doesn't make sense, yes. But this is like, really common cuss words what guys generally use. Or maybe girls use these days.
Oh, so they call someone...
Yeah, it's more taken in a casual way. Like in friends also, in friend circles also you do it. If you're really close friends, you do that.
Is shabby a Chinese word? 我是猪。I honestly don't know what SB is actually.
Sorry?
No, Martinez is being funny. He's asking me about other bad words. I think he is bored. After painting his room, since he cannot trade. Oops. Oh shit. What did I do? What price is this? 139,650. Stop loss above the 4-hour. I think your zones are a bit different. So you like this zone for me, Matthias, is here for you. So you took it when it broke, I think. When it closed below. But I have my 4-hour support at 500. So I was looking at this area here. So I think the zones might be a bit off.
Well, what's your view on the capital market, like the equity market?
I honestly don't know. I don't even follow stocks anymore.
Oh, okay.
Because I don't trade stocks. I buy them for the long term.
Ah, okay.
Because the most of the stocks that I buy, they are dividend paying stocks. Because I'm lazy to monitor. Yeah.
And what platform do you use to buy them?
It's a Singaporean platform.
Oh, it's a Singaporean. Okay.
Yeah. Don't use it, it's expensive. I only had it because when I worked at the brokerage firm, they gave it to me. So everything is inside, so it doesn't make sense for me to transfer my holdings out. The cost is too much, so I just left it.
Okay.
Yeah. What is my biggest stock that I hold for dividend? It's my local bank. You guys won't know it unless you're in Singapore.
True.
Yeah. It's my local bank. Because I used to work for OCBC, so I have a lot of their shares. And I just collected it. This one. You guys won't know it because it's a Singapore share. I don't really trade the US market.
Oh.
Yeah. And this is my largest holdings.
OCBC Bank.
OCBC Bank, yeah. So in Singapore, there are 3 big banks.
Okay.
OCBC, DBS is the biggest one, but DBS is expensive, so no point. DBS, this is government backed.
Okay, it's a Singapore's government.
Yeah, this DBS is Singapore government backed. And then UOB. So there are just 3 banks in Singapore. But no, I'm not going to pay $25 per share when I can get a cheaper bank share. Yeah. See, it's half the price. No point.
Yeah, it's 10 Singapore dollars.
Yeah. Plus because I collected last time when I used to work there, they gave us employee share benefits. So times were good then. They topped up 50% for everything that I bought.
Okay.
So I have a lot of it. The other day, my brother was telling me about this stock called Lemonade. I thought he was joking.
Lemonade.
Yeah. Apparently it's an insurance company,
Okay. Lemonade. Wow.
I think. They've
So it's a Singapore-based insurance company?
no,
or-
it's a US
Oh,
company.
US.
Yeah.
US company.
I thought he was joking when he told me Lemonade. I said, is it a new beverage company? He was like, no, it's an insurance company. I was like, what the hell? Why would you call it Lemonade? It makes
Yeah.
makes no sense. Yeah, see? Homeowners, renters, and pet health insurance. Fun Smith. No, what is this?
Homeowner rentals, pet insurance. Wow.
I think a lot of the stocks now, because people are bored and then they're at home, so a lot of the retail traders just go buy. So a lot of the stocks that you see, right, most of their charts are parabolic. Yeah.
Yeah, I was looking at this US stock market, like US 30, all these like indexes.
Mm,
They have shot up so much.
yeah.
I can't even think of entering now.
Yeah.
So it's like, because right now it seems like overbought everything.
Mm.
And I feel it will get corrected soon, maybe in a year or so. Then I might get into some stocks. I don't want to trade, but I just want to hold them for long,
Mm.
like a position.
Yeah. Cause to me, I'm already trading something so aggressive, like currencies and gold. I don't want my stock portfolio to be aggressive as well. Then my entire portfolio is aggressive and I have to keep managing it. Meh.
It seems like the volume has died out completely on pound companies.
It's the Twilight Zone.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why just now I was telling you, don't do the impulse now.
Yeah.
It will start kicking in. It's 5 my time. When Raja comes on, then you will start to see the volume kick in again. That's pre.
Like he's holding the volume.
Yeah, I think so. Raja is a bang.
Yeah. Oh, one question. So right now we are at daily and 4 hour zone. Now if it forms a morning star pattern like what you showed yesterday,
Yeah.
you think it would be a good idea to buy it
Buy
from
it?
here, or it should be bought from 140?
No, you can buy it from here if it forms a morning star pattern.
Okay.
Because this is a strong enough zone. So like this, so you're looking at the 15, right?
Yeah, 15. Yeah,
For
looking at
me,
15.
yeah, this candle the body must be more than half of this bearish candle. I prefer my morning stars to be like this, like literally like this. It closes above the bearish one. That's the best one that I've seen that will just go.
And then can you still take the trade from there because you have resistance above?
Let's see. 750. Yes, I think you can. Because see, price came down, right? It came down and then it formed its new the new area where it was that it rejected. Yeah, correct. So I would think based on these clean candles here that if the morning star pattern forms, it will go back up to at least 140.
At least 140. Okay.
Yeah. That's why the morning star pattern has to close above. Yeah.
Okay.
If it closes like this, oh, do not enter. It will hit your stop. Yeah, it's a yeah. Airborne. Raja is my mentor. That's all. That's why we always talk about him. Fund Smith Equity Fund. Let's see. Wow. Martinez, you made me go back to my banking days. I just look at these kind of things all the time. I've seen better performing, like more consistent. This one is relatively new, I think. Launch date 2010. Oh, you used to set it for AXA. My god, I'm not going to comment anymore. It's Funsmith AXA's what's that? Asset management company. There are other better performing funds, I think. Where are they from? Which index funds am I in? I have this. It's an Asian fund. This one also pays dividends. I'm very boring with my equities. So I have this fund. It buys into Asian stocks. Why do you hate GJ Tenggis? This was expected. You shouldn't hate it. You should be glad that you understand that it's gonna bounce here and then you cut it. It's not me, it's my dad. Again. He's in the kitchen, by the way, which is like 2 rooms outside. And you guys can hear him. Why do old men sneeze so loudly? I don't know why. Oh, it didn't hit your TP, but your stop loss. But if you entered here, like how I... Oops, wrong way. If you entered here, stop loss here, how would you get your stop hit? Price never touched the stop. When this one closed bullish, the moment this next candle closed bullish, you could have cut it already. Ah, okay. Then you can't hate GJ. Tenggis. You moved your stop. I thought Neo was having some... was having Neo Day soon, right? Let's see. 9 January. What happened to Bitcoin? Wow. Have I ever thought of day trading stocks like for fun? I used to do it when I was at the brokerage firm. Boring. That's why I moved to Forex. I did it before. But I feel like stocks versus currencies, it's more likely that a stock will get manipulated than a currency. Yeah, don't bother with SGX, that's the thing. You can day trade Singapore stocks. Just day trade the pennies. You cannot day trade the blue chips, obviously. You gotta day trade the pennies. But it's super speculative. No, Pochon, I wasn't a stock trader. I just worked in the brokerage firm. Didn't have a license. Oh man, I ate so much mangoes now. I have a sore throat. Regret.
You started getting mangoes in Singapore now?
No, it's
Because this is not the season.
no, it's dried
Ah,
mangoes.
okay. Okay.
It's fake mangoes.
Because in India, we start getting mangoes from April, March, I guess, March.
Much. Oh,
So that's the season.
yeah. These are. I love this brand. 7D dried mangoes. They're from Philippines, I think.
Wow.
But it's like the only brand I'll eat.
Okay.
How long was I working in the brokerage firm? 2 years? 2 years? Yeah, I think so.
Seems like it's forming a morning star on 15 minutes now. We have 5 minutes, 5 seconds to close. 15 minutes. It closed below.
Yeah. People would say that it's considered a morning star pattern.
Okay.
Yeah, but with the so the thing is, because this didn't close as strong as I would like, so the ones that I've seen that just go all the way, right, is when this bullish candle closes above, then it just literally just goes. So with this one, I think it will have problems at this resistance. Yeah, but I think this has enough pips. How many is this? It's like 11.
Okay, no, I don't want to go for it.
Yeah.
So I will take 10 pips, but I want some. At least there should be some free space for the price to move.
Yeah, there's no buffer. It's literally 11. Full stop.
Yeah.
Yeah. Plus the stock is, let's see.
Yeah, it will be really huge actually. Even if you take it on 15 minutes.
Yeah. Then your risk reward doesn't make sense really.
Yeah. Let's say I take on the flip 13 to 14 pips stops.
Yeah, if you take it on the flip, then you can try to have an aggressive stop loss below the current candle.
Yeah, that also it's possible. But yeah, I don't want to risk that.
Yeah. If you're waiting already, you might as well wait for New York to come in.
Yeah. Like this year, I want to be consistent and want to move slowly. I don't want to hurry.
Less is more.
Yeah, less is more always.
CJ, are you working later?
Yeah, actually, maybe in an hour or so.
Ah,
Since
okay.
I'm on vacation, it's fine, but I have some other work to do.
Oh, okay, okay. No, because
Assignment.
if you're not working later on, then because I have Tuesdays and Wednesdays, the New York Zooms are back on for you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, there I won't be able to because I have another Zoom session
Hmm.
where I'm taking up some courses online. So I have
Ah. Okay.
3
Okay.
hours of Zoom session.
Nah,
Yeah.
it's okay. I'll record it then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, generally this time I'll be traveling like to my university, so it's very difficult for me to come online.
Ah. Okay. Okay.
That's why I send you the chats really early in the morning so that I can begin and then I can look at it if I have time.
Okay. Yes, Lorenzo, I sent the Zoom link way earlier under the London session. I think it might have shifted because the guys were chatting. If you need it, I'll send it in the... I'll send it in the New York session, but I'm going off in half an hour. Where would be more volume pre-New York or New York Open? New York Open. The 4-hour close right before New York Open. Ooh, gold broke through its resistance. Let's see. This structure looks exactly like the one that Ted was talking about yesterday. It will break above the resistance and then it will form a few candles and then it will continue up. Yeah, looks interesting. So you can trade it to fill this wick. On gold, I think that's a lot of pips. That is, let's see. This wick is about 14. Oh, hello Alexi. Good morning. Are you on the throne?
And do you trade gold?
Not live. Not yet. Yeah. I don't like the feeling of losing on gold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It happened to me once. I put in money for the gold trade
Yeah.
and in 5 minutes I lost out.
Yeah, I don't like. It's like I hate the feeling that. So my win rate on GJ is like X percentage already, and I'm really comfortable and very confident with it. With gold, it's like less than half of that, so I don't like it. Because imagine all the hard work I put in on GJ with one gold trade.
Yeah, you can lose everything.
No.
One go.
Yeah.
Few seconds sometimes.
Yeah, it irritates the shit out of me.
Yeah.
And it affects my emotional and mental state also.
True.
Yeah. I know people like trading it because it's like quick gains.
Quick gain, yeah, quick gains. Yeah.
It's really quick gains, but they always forget that there's also quick losses.
Quick losses. Yeah. And that's why I'm sticking to one pair, GJ. I mean, because I get a lot of educational content also from you all, so it's easy for me.
Yeah. See? Like I said, this candle, since it formed support, it was going to fill the wick. But that's about it.
Yeah.
So the way I've been looking at gold is I've been testing two different strategies, one on the 5, one on the 1 minute. So the 5 is exactly like how Uncle Ted has been explaining it. But it will have to be a very quick grab. So in this case, it will have been one support formed, entry somewhere around here with, because you don't want price to break below this support. If it breaks below this support, it's a goner anyway. So I would take, so to the nearest key level, which is this wick high, it has to be more than 1.2 R. If not, I won't take the trade. Yeah, so once it hits that, right, then I just lock my stop. And then whatever it does, it does. But most of the time, I get my stop loss hit at break even. Yeah. With gold, I usually trail it by R.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, by risk reward.
I'm not going to touch as of now.
Yeah.
It's first I want to see like at least 2-3 months how consistent I am. It's on one pair.
Yeah.
Then maybe I'll add more capital and expand myself.
Yeah. Even if I reduce the lot size on this, I just don't like losing on it.
Yeah, true. I mean, it's a quick loss, and as you said, it affects emotionally a lot.
Yeah. Because with gold, the wicks can be quite nasty.
Yeah.
Like you think the support is here and then whoop, it does a wick and then it continues in the direction, then it's it's damn annoying.
Yeah. Or take trades from really key levels like strong support or strong resistance where price would move in one direction for a while.
Yep. Like for example, I was looking at this area here. So this one, like this, near the London Open. So this was a potential because support formed off a 4-hour support. Yeah. So if I were to trail this, my first area would have been here. So this resistance, I would first measure it. So this gives me more than 1.2 R. So I'm good to go. So once it hits this area here, I would take out 80% and then I would just lock my stop loss first, and then when it hits 2R, oops, I can't wait. When it hits 2R, then I'll put my stop loss at 1R, 3R, 2R. Yeah, I'll just trail it 1R back. Yeah.
1R back. Okay. That's nice.
Yeah. Did I stop joining Raja's live? Yes, I stopped. I go on YouTube. I don't go on his Zoom anymore. Because like Tuesdays and Wednesdays, I spend time with my own Zoom members. The rest of the days, I go off. I just want to rest.
No, that's good.
Yeah. I like if I'm trading GJ, let's say I know that I want to take an entry, let's say short here, and price was like somewhere here, I would just set an alarm and then I'll walk away from the charts, or I'll do something else. But I won't keep staring at the charts. I feel really tired after that. Yeah. Which is also why I don't go on Raja's stream anymore. Because if I go on Raja's stream, I'm like constantly looking at the charts.
Yeah, it's like 2.5 to 3 hours.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Or like sometimes I will play it, and then when Uncle Ted talks about gold, then I'll tune in. Other than that, it's running in the background really softly.
Yeah. Seems like this 4 hour is rejecting really strongly. 139,500.
Yep.
Let's see how this current 4 hour closes.
Mm-hmm.
Within 16 minutes it will close.
Yeah. So remember just now we were saying this candle, right? Because the morning star formed.
Yeah.
So let's watch this area. Yeah. So far, I've seen like when it doesn't really close super strong and at this twilight zone, this area, and then after that it struggles inside here. Yeah.
This is like very unlikely Tuesday, huh?
Yeah. I think it's just the normal January volume. Let's see.
Yeah.
Even if you put an aggressive stop below the wick, your risk reward is slightly over 1 only. Yeah. Still tight.
Looks like if it doesn't break 139,800, it will start ranging in that area, 800 to 500, 30 pip range.
Yeah.
Then it will break after a while.
Yeah.
But I'm hoping that it should break below so that we can take a very nice trade. It's a very nice clean move we can get.
Yeah.
138, 850, or maybe 139. It's a clean move.
Yes. The thing is, it's still respecting the higher time frame long bias.
Yeah.
Yeah. So see now this 1 hour, he's gonna close bullish. And if it's a bullish, if it's gonna be a strong bullish engulfing, oh man, it might even go up. Do I think GJ long term is bullish? Yes, based on the higher time frame, I'm actually long biased. As long as it doesn't, like none of the 1 hour or 4 hour candles close below 139,500, I'm still staying bullish.
Yeah.
All these moves down are just like higher time frame pullbacks to me.
Pullbacks,
Yeah.
I mean, if the candle closes, let's say today, if the candle closes above 139,600, and tomorrow, if the candle form makes a bullish candle, then we will definitely go up.
Today,
if it closes above 139,630,
6:30.
we're looking at previous resistance.
On the 4 hour?
Previous support. I'm looking at the daily. Yeah, that one. Where you've drawn 4 hour.
Or this one?
Yeah,
this one?
Yeah. Because if you look at the daily bodies, previous daily bodies, they're closing at 139.636. To be more specific.
Yeah, the 2 weeks stop there.
Yeah.
So this one, this current daily candle, if it closes below these wicks, it's going to come down here.
Come down, yeah.
Yeah.
If it closes above, then
there's a chance.
Tomorrow we want a bullish candle to form.
Yeah.
And then we can go up.
Finally.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
We need to wait for 2 more days.
Yeah. GJ will buy, not yet. Am I in the trade on higher time frame? No, I'm not. I was considering a paper trade here. I was just looking at the idea of but it was Asian session, so that was just shitty. So it was this one here, something like this, aiming for 141. This was my higher time frame long idea, but look at this. We've gotten my stop anyway, because I saw this support during Asia forming higher than the previous supports on the 4 hour. So I took it to mean that okay, maybe it could go up, but nope, the news had to come in. Yeah, man.
Oh, regarding Brexit, I think it's more or less done, right?
It's done. It's just like lockdown news and
lockdown news.
Yeah.
Looking at their numbers, I think that's too much. Every day, like 60,000 cases.
Yeah.
A lot for them, actually.
They need to stop it. They even had another strain. Poor thing.
Yeah. And that's the reason why even we are in lockdown here in Germany. So I can't go out. I mean, I can go out, but everything is closed.
Oh.
No restaurants are open. No
Oh.
shops are open. And only groceries maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
But it's fine, right? Since it's winter.
Yeah, it's good. That's the reason why I took 20 days of vacation in
Yeah.
December and January.
Oh.
Relax, and I could do some other stuff. But I have to start applying for my new job also.
Oh, okay, okay. Possible sells as we start to break from range to continue down. Robert, yes. You gotta wait for a strong candle breaking through this area, which is 500, I believe. Let me move my face. Yeah. Strong break through 500. Then we can consider the sells. If not, this entire higher time frame structure is gonna hold. Because someone's gonna say this is like some head and shoulders.
Yeah.
Alexi, Manish said you had weird Insta story posts. He calls you the weird Insta story man. This is a lie, Alexi. Lie, you didn't come on. Lie. Ew, what's this?
Look at this bottle, it feels so smooth.
What the hell am I watching?
So
I'm judging you, Alexi. Why are you watching this kind of thing? It's giving me goosebumps. Jay, you took the 8 pips as well just now?
Yeah, I took that.
Yay, nice. I shall share your stories. The caption shall be, small wins are still wins.
Hey. Good.
Hashtag blue is blue.
Yeah. Why do I feel that price is not at all moving?
Yeah, I think my trading view hung.
Yeah. It's like right there. 139,719.
Yeah.
So many seconds.
It's the twilight syndrome.
Yeah. Hey, El, what is your view on this crypto called Pi network? Have you heard about it?
No. I'm a noob at cryptocurrencies.
So this is from a group from Stanford University.
Oh?
A group from Stanford University.
What's it called again?
Pi network crypto.
Wow. Such a nerdy name.
Yeah. Look at the place where it comes from also.
What's the code?
No, it's not on Trading View. I mean, you'll have to Google it because they haven't put it on exchange.
Oh.
Yeah.
Let's see their chart. How do you come up with a new coin? Like, how does a coin just magically?
There's just a software, right? I mean, it's nothing like it's a program. It's a like how Bitcoin work, something like that.
Mm.
So they create like nice I don't know. I mean,
Like I never really bothered to read because I opened like what is Bitcoin and then I saw like so many words I just closed the website. I couldn't have been bothered.
and just to learn that, I took up a course online on Coursera about cryptographs.
Oh.
I got for first few hours it was fine. After that, it was all above my head.
Yeah. What is a Bitcoin?
Okay, now I understand. At least I have a basic understanding of the blockchain technology where the Bitcoin is working.
Yeah.
But like exactly, no clue about it, man.
Yeah, man. Isn't it just a coin that holds a lot of data? That's what I thought it was.
So it holds. So basically, Bitcoin is generated when you confirm transactions. Like since it's a decentralized system, so people all over the world they are making these transactions, and they are miners like in many countries.
Oh.
So who verify these transactions. So whenever it's verified, Satoshi is generated. Basically, a small part of a Bitcoin is given as a gift to the miners, and that's how it's generated.
Oh.
So it's a cap of like 21 million, so you can't generate more than that. Why is that, and how it was done, I don't know. But what I've been reading is you can only generate 21 million, and about 18.5 million bitcoins have already been generated.
Oh damn. So if you jump on the train now to mine it, you're screwed.
Yeah, now if you want to mine it, it takes huge amount of energy, consumes huge amount of energy.
Your coin probably cannot even cover your bill.
Price is also increasing, and because of that, because of FOMO, many people are also getting into Bitcoin trading.
Yeah.
That is also pushing the price up. And that's the vague idea I have, vague information I have.
I just think people are just looking for the next new thing to buy.
Yeah, 100%.
Let's see. Personally, I'm just conservative, which is why I never touch Bitcoin. Right from the start till now. The only coin I have is the one that someone gave me.
By knowing how it works and what it is, so I was just reading about it a little bit.
Yeah. You can call me a scaredy cat, but it's fine.
But yeah, if you look at the technology part behind it, it's very interesting. It's very interesting. But as you know, if you like Uncle Ted keeps telling this, that since it's not controlled by government, it will never get legalized. I mean, not legalized. I would say it will never be used in a
large scale.
Yeah, large scale.
Yeah, not yet.
Yeah, not yet.
Remember I told you that we had like one of the big banks in Singapore, so the biggest one. They're launching a digital exchange. Yeah, they're the first.
So what happens is what is this digital exchange? What happens to our actual money? Will it be invalid?
No, I think they allow you to do something legitimate now.
Okay.
Yeah. Because last time I think the thing was previously it was not backed, or how should I put it? It wasn't protected.
Protected, okay.
Yeah. Like your transactions were not protected. Like but now that the fact that DBS, our biggest bank here, is backing it and they have the government's backing. So the Monetary Authority of Singapore is basically their big boss. It's like our central bank here in Asia. In Singapore, I mean. So the fact that they backed it means some shit's going down here in Asia, I think. Yeah, because this bank is really big here and in Hong Kong. So I think they're probably doing something with the Chinese market as well. So shit's going down.
Maybe this was a retest for it to go down. If it breaks below,
That's good.
yeah, that will be nice.
We want it to boom, smack,
Yeah.
smack it.
Yeah, smack it through that zone and then we take.
Yeah. Soon. Neck is on. Oh no, this was like an hour ago.
Is this your paid version, Financial Juice?
This one, yes. They gave it to me.
Oh,
Yeah, the other time the owner of Financial Pros came onto the YouTube chat. I thought he was a troll.
okay. So the Financial Juice had come to your channel. Okay.
Yeah, they came to the YouTube chat. Then they gave
So
it to
that's
me.
really nice. That's really nice.
Yeah. But it's because initially I used the free version. It's good enough. It's honestly quite good. It's just that you have it in white. But I think now they made the dark mode for the free accounts as well. And your news doesn't come in as fast. But it's fine. It's not much of a difference. It doesn't help you avoid an entry if that's what you're looking for. Yeah.
Okay. How many 12 seconds? Please break below that.
Oh, there's dark mode for free version already. Okay. Now I'm not special anymore.
Okay.
No, because last time there were people that were like, "Ooh, how come your financial juice is dark mode?" Now I'm not special anymore. Can I draw a fib? What's RQ? Right now?
Okay, how did the 4 hour just closed? So it closed below all the previous 4 hour, like just the body, if you see.
Yeah.
Like 139,635, closed below 139,635.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, and let's wait for it to break 139,500.
Yeah.
Yeah. The problem is when I'm in the lab working, I can't spend so much time. And then, at least before December, I used to screw up my trades because I miss it and then I want to take them.
Oops.
Yeah.
Then you lose on both ends.
Yeah.
You screw up your grades and then you take the trade wrongly. Let's see.
So that's why I try to wake up early, come to charts, plan my trading, and then go to work.
Yeah. Since you're in Europe, I think you can. I don't know if you look at the European currencies like EU, EJ. I don't know if you do that.
Yeah, I mean, I used to. Like initially, like when you are new to trading, you you check all the pairs possible, right? Yeah. But then this pound pair is much better because UK time and European time are more or less same.
Yeah, but you guys open 1 hour earlier.
Yeah, 1 hour earlier. Yeah. And EU, sometimes, I don't know, I'm not so comfortable taking EU trades. I tried.
It tests your patience.
Yeah, 100%.
It tests your patience so badly. No, Alexi, you need to come on Zoom, then I'll help you to draw a fib. It might be this 50 level at 139,800. So I think it might go up and then break, which is also in line with this level of support, latest support here.
Sorry, can you please draw the fib again? I missed it.
Draw again?
Yeah, could you please just show me how do you actually draw it? Like from which point to?
Okay, so for me, how I plot the fibs, right, is I need to wait for some kind of zone to break first. So earlier, remember we had this support here. So this big candle broke it, right? So I would then look for, because I'm going down, so I will look for opposite candles to start and end the move. That's how I know the retracement, the swing is done. Because basically Fips, what they do is price moves like this, right?
Yeah.
Fips measure the retracement.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you want to see how far it's going to pull back and where the confluences are. So in this case, this zone was broken. So I wanted to see, so like this to this low here. Because you see, this is the opposite candle of the downward move. So probably if we look at the level, 50 and 61.8, right? This is what people call the golden zone.
Golden,
Yeah.
Okay, 61
so, yeah. So anything in this area would be good for price to retest and come down. So this golden zone is in line with your support on the 1 hour. So I'll be very interested when price comes back here. Yeah.
And you look at it on a 1 hour time scale.
This is 1 hour, yeah. The reason why I didn't, so you can plot a fib on any time frame actually.
Yeah, any time frame, yes.
It's just that because the 30 and the 1 hour, the 30 and the 15-minute candles are really messy, you can't really see the clean swing. So that's why I used the 1 hour to show you guys. It's gonna be the same levels anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, so you're doing this because you're looking to take a sell, right? So you're looking at the retracement to come back down
Yes.
based on the way you plotted the fib. And to do that, you would wait until that first bullish candle, the opposite candle, shows up.
Yeah, correct. So as this thing was coming down, right, I couldn't plot it yet. Until this one closed, then okay, there we go. Remember the car? The car had to stop before it turned. Yeah.
And in plotting this, because you're taking a sell, you start, I always do that thing where I plot it the other way around.
Yeah.
So because you're taking a sell, you started from top to bottom, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So just remember, if you're selling, you're going down like this, right? So just follow the direction at which you draw it. So top to bottom.
And this is, are you taking this because you're going counter? Are you doing this because you're going counter trend? So the buyers for today, was the buyers for today already sell? Sorry, I've been off the call for like 30 minutes.
No, to be honest, the higher time frame trend, right, is still bullish. Like as long as it doesn't close below 500, I'm still bullish on it. But the thing is, the reason why I called out the sells earlier on was because price actually broke. So this support was the one that formed during Asia, this one here. So when this support formed, right, I anticipated that price was actually going to go up. But after that, when news came out, it broke the structure. So when it broke the structure, it would then go and look for its next key levels, which are here and here. That's why the short was valid, because it was a quick counter trend move to me. Yeah, but overall, I prefer longs over shorts. Yeah, but the thing now is, because of the way the candles are forming, right, if I need to plan both ways. So if it comes down, where do I want it to retest? This area, because it has confluence with the Fips and it has confluence with my zone. If it goes up, then I would take trades above this resistance to go up. Yeah.
But obviously, if it's for it to go up, that's another fib you're plotting, right? The previous fib you'll have plotted is not valid anymore.
Yes, correct. Yeah. When I draw the fib, do I take the end of the wick? Yes, I do. So I took this one here. So these two candles, opposite candle was this. So I took this one. And then these two, I took this one. So if between these two candles, if let's say the bearish candle had a longer wick, right, then I'll use the longer one. Because it's a swing high to a swing low. So this is a high and this is the low. So you're going to take it including the wicks.
You know what confuses me a bit is let me see if I can annotate it. You know, where we've seen that price has come down here, right? Now, why aren't we saying price is going to go up and just take a buy why are we then saying, because what we're now trying to anticipate is it's going to come down, bounce back up, and come back down. So we want to take a sell down. Why don't we just assume that, okay, bullish candles are forming now, let's just take a sell, a buy?
You can. You can. Because the thing is, remember I said that the pullback would likely happen in this till this area. So yes, there are people that buy till this area. You can do that. Because you already know that this move, it has a high probability of happening. You can buy it till this area.
Oh, to just that area. I was thinking buy, just keep going. Buy and just buy all the way up.
No, so the highest probability area where price will tap is this area, right? So you can buy it to this area, take the bulk of your profits off, and then leave it to continue up if it wants to. But this area, the way the structure is forming, right? This candle already broke these lows. So the thing is, it might break, retest, and come down. That's how it's looking like based on its structure. You understand? Based on the most recent structure.
Yeah. I saw something to the left of your chart. If you, I don't know if it was on the 1 hour. Yeah. You expanded it. So assuming I was here, because I'm just trying to test that whole concept of for you to plot a fib, you are waiting for. Sorry, my husband is on the call.
It's okay.
You're waiting for an opposite candle to form, right? For you to test. So if you look at what's happening here, right?
Yeah.
If you were sort of watching the market at this point, no, actually, it's not a good example.
It needs to break a zone first. Yeah, that's the thing. So example, this one here. Look at this daily. So the daily zone is here, right? Okay, so this one broke. So this candle broke. Right? So this would be a better example, I think, if you're trying to plot it. So this candle broke, so you would draw it from... So you notice how these wicks are actually longer. So you gotta take the lowest one, and then just plot it to the opposing candle here. So if you look at it, it did a shallow retracement to the 38. This one was quite fast. Boop, and then it continued up. It was literally in the next candle.
So once this candle broke, you're thinking, okay, I'm gonna take a long, right? So you're waiting for an opposing candle to form. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Then I would be able to plot. So this is like your car went straight, and then now it needs to turn. So it stopped first and then it turned. You get what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, which is why you plotted a fib going up.
Yes, because I want to go up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
What happened to gold? Someone said short just now. Oh yeah. The schools are closed, right? It's okay, Janet. It's okay, it's a twilight zone now. So there will be the New York Zooms later on as well. So I'll come on again at 12:30 your time. I'm just gonna take a break first.
You're leaving?
Yeah, so I'll leave in another at the half an hour close. If anyone has questions, now's your chance to ask.
I'll be back.
Yeah. No, I'll be back later. Yeah, kind of. The Fibonacci is like some magical number. It's in every single pattern. It's quite interesting. I've Fibonacci's, to me, I feel like it's also a self-fulfilling prophecy. If enough people look at this area, price will definitely turn. Why did I off yesterday? Because I only stream from 4 by right 4 to 6. That's all my streams are running for. What is my strategy on Go? It's still the same, it's still price action. I am looking at something on the 1 minute as well with the I use the EMAs to slow down my entries. Not this. So I take trades when price bounces off the EMAs with certain criteria, of course. So for example, I would have taken a trade here like this earlier. Yep, it's a different strategy, but I am not live yet on either one. This is for the 1 minute, so on the 5 it's just simple support resistance trading, but neither has a super high win rate yet because I don't fully understand its goals behavior. So it's just, I'm still trying to figure it out. Institutional trader, how would anyone shop go with you? You didn't explain how you took the entry. Is it off some order block? I don't see anything. No, Andy, I'll take a break first. I'll come back 12:30 your time, 12:30 GMT. The link is in the Discord.
See you then.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye-bye.
See you later.
Yeah.
What is this? CasinoWorld.com. Sounds dodgy, Andy. Can I do a 24-hour stream? No. I refuse. Andy, is that what you've been playing? Oh, I know why you like playing it. Cause it has swimsuit poker. Pervy boy. Tus. We found out why you like that website. What is the best way to trade a 4-hour candle? Personally, so usually I, like for example this one here. So this was right before London Open, the 4-hour before London Open. So I usually have the highest hit rate when I trade this particular candle at this time, when it forms a resistance of a strong zone, and then the move is big. Yeah, so that's the only way I really trade my 4-hour candles. Do a drinking stream. I think I wouldn't last very long. I haven't drunk in... When was the last time I drank? Let me think. Shit, I think it's been almost like 1 year. Go target 1962. Let's see, 1962. I have succeeded where many have failed. Succeed where? I never really liked drinking, to be honest. Like last time when I drank, the moment I felt like sick, right? When I went clubbing and stuff like that, I would just go home. I just literally went home in the middle of the session. Major weekly low. $138. Next point if price breaks the low. Yup, same. 140, 200. Yeah, 14200 is valid. This is the hourly. Let me see. Yeah, same. I'm not bearish either. I just see if this holds this area, and then I just think it will break the zone already. It's like the final. The final. This area is crucial for me to watch what happens inside. If it breaks this area, I think it will break. Then my bias will flip bearish. If not, I'm still bullish based on the higher time frames. But yeah, see, I have the 140-300 level. I think it's the same as you. I have it on the daily because it's the resistance on the daily. No, New Year's Eve, I was actually spending. I was actually with a student. Like we were spending time creating like an EA. We're nerding on the charts, doing other stuff. Sell stop 138.500. You mean 139.5 or 138.5? Martinez, I'm the one that has been timing you out, not Andy. It was me. What is the yellow you have for the year? What yellow? This yellow line? What contradicts it being bearish trend and will retest this newly created low? What? Oh, okay. I had to think through that sentence. And will retest this newly created low. If price holds, so you see how I drew up the fips here in this area, and this gray zone that I have, this one here, is a 1 hour support based on this level here. So if price forms new resistance inside here, then it might come down. But if it breaks and closes above 78.6, then I think the bullish higher time frame trend is going to continue up. Nice. How many accounts did you set up? You have an orange M, a grey M, and Metinizer. Block all three. Why short on gold though? It retested to the 1 hour zone. It's bullish. Every single time frame is forming higher highs and lows. Why would you short it? Unless I'm missing something. If it's outdoor, does it matter? Freighter. Just put them 1 meter apart. Or if you have a really big yard, then you can have like 100 snowmen. How many snowmen can you have? Does it snow in Spain? I thought it doesn't. Isn't it too warm in Spain to snow? Unless you're on the mountains. North they have snow. Oh. I went to Spain before, I quite like it. But I regretted doing Spain and Portugal together. I thought I was seeing the same things. North, okay. I went, Alexi. It's really pretty. So I went to these areas here. I drove. I remember going to Cordoba, Granada. Where else did I go? This. Yeah, I went one round. And then, yeah. Then I came back to Madrid and flew out from there. Seville is your city. Ooh. Maybe I shouldn't learn Italian, I should learn Spanish. They sound about the same, I think. Yeah, Alexi, I've been to UK as well. I didn't like it, to be honest. London is messy AF. It's worse than Singapore. It's messy and it's a bit dirty. I think I went. I remember this thing. I forgot what it's called, but I know I saw this thing. I forgot what it's called. Oh yes, this thing. I remember this building. Why Cordoba? I think cause it was just on the way. Why are you judging your own country on dress? Let me see. I need to recall the sites. Hang on. What did I see in Cordoba? Yeah, I remember this bridge. There was a dude playing with his pipe on this bridge. And these things, I remember. We went to see this. My god, I went and I don't know what the hell they are called. I only remember going. I'm the worst tourist. Maybe I should learn Spanish instead. It's Singapore, but a lot of knife crime. Bruh, we barely have knife crime here. Your tube is, oh my god. I don't know how you guys fit in there. The train is so small. Let's see. Let me confirm. Gibraltar. I remember. The name sounds familiar. Train surfing? What is that? Oh. Isn't this what they do on in India? They sit outside of the train. Oh shit, what the hell is this?
Yo.
Hey Ace, what's up? Oh my
how's
god.
everything?
We took
Are you trading this week or is it next week?
next week.
Okay.
Yeah. What the hell
Trading
is this?
2 weeks from now.
Oh, after you're back, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Today's trade was a very small trade. It was like 8 pips, I think. Here. Just to almost 500.
Yeah, that 30-minute close on in that range was a good sell down.
This one, right?
Go to 30-minute.
Oh, sorry. Wrong one. Oh,
I saw it on
this
30.
big one?
Yeah, when this here closes, and when this one breaks the low of this support here, it would have been a good entry.
Yeah, we took it on the next one because this was before. No, this was at London Open. Yeah, I was waiting for new resistance to form because the candle was really big. The stop was damn big. If you took it, it's like 30. So they took. I caught the 15-minute entry here, like this. Well, it was a very quick move down.
Oh, nice, yeah.
Yeah. Down. Supposed to be till like 500, but didn't. It missed by a bit.
All good. This is pretty safe, you know.
Yeah. Then after that, it was garbage.
Was Manish on today?
Yeah, he took that sell.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Hey, Manish getting a hit start, eh?
He went off already.
I know.
Yeah. He went
Hey.
pam on GA, GJ, and then he's done.
think he's trading higher lots this year.
Is it?
Yeah, he's gained quite a bit of confidence. I think he's trading like one lot now. Same as me.
Visit Bedok Reservoir. Nice place. No, Martin. People die there. Manish was asking for you just now, Is. Then we thought
I'm
you were.
sorry, disappoint him.
We thought you were working. Then I realized, no, Ace is on holiday.
Yeah.
I feel like such a stalker. I know all your schedules.
That's all good. I mean, you did work in the bank before, you know.
I know irrelevant stuff.
Transferable skills. I think we're off to a good start this year. I mean, the price action for the past 2 days is doesn't seem too bad.
Mm.
I'm just traumatized by like what happened last year. You know, like even though you know the market conditions are not normal, you're like, oh my god, what's happening? Is this normal?
It's like for me, like since yesterday I was long bias because it hasn't broken my level whereby I will change my bias. So I'm still that higher time frame wise, I still think GJ might go up, but I also see the potential of it retesting this area here and then breaking and coming down already.
I actually had both biases this morning, but I wanted to see like, you know, what's it gonna show me. So when was come high volume time, you know, a resistance was created before potential support. So I was like, okay, I guess it sells.
Yeah, correct. Because in Asia, I was looking at this. So this, that what I was telling you just now, this support that formed in Asia, right, on the 4 hour was higher than the previous two. So I thought, okay, it's time. Nope. During London, the news came in and then bam.
Oh, you know, I thought of that as well, but then this candle here closed like weak bullish. You know what I mean?
Exactly. Because that's why I thought, oh man, shitty bullish candle.
Yeah.
I literally posted it. Like I was just thinking out to myself. Like I posted it inside the Discord for the other students. See. Hang on, let me open the chart. Like I thought this might be possible. Nope. It was a weak close. So even if I raised 1%, it moved to like to this support here and then it rejected and then it came down. So the long idea was invalid after that. I considered this idea long during Asia. But it was shitty volume. It ranged the entire Asia. I think Alexi and Andy are very emo at home.
You're going off soon, right?
Yeah, I'm going out soon. I want to go and take a rest first. I'm coming back later though, if you are still up.
We'll see how I feel. Maybe I feel sleepy, I'll go sleep.
Yeah, no rush anyway.
I'll be resuming same schedule in 2 weeks' time. I'll just be here for London and that's it. I won't stay for New York.
I thought you were working.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I can't stay for New York, so I'll be here for like the London session and that's it.
Oh, you're done with work doing London?
No. I mean like when I get back to trading, I'll only be able to come for the London session. I won't stay for Rogers at all.
Of course, man. That's like really late for you. It's like 1 a.m., right?
Yeah, because I got work the next day.
Oh, because by the time you come home, London will have just opened, I think, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Was there any news today?
A little just now. This one.
But not high impact, right?
But it caused this push down.
Oh yeah.
Right at London Open. It caused this shove.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I was thinking, I was like, hey. Went all the way down.
Yeah, I thought it would come down even more than nope. That pullback was really deep. Just this one here. Imagine you took the shot on this 1 hour closing and then boom, immediately just retraced half of the candle. You'll be sweating. There's also FOMC this week.
Should push up this level. I don't think it's gonna go down further.
Let's see.
So who took that 1 hour buy?
Earlier, I think Jay was looking at this pattern here, this morning star pattern. So the fact that this right candle didn't really, I mean, it's fairly strong already, but it didn't really close above the bearish one. So we thought highest probability it would come and test its highs. So right now it's there. We'll see. The chances of it flipping when this structure form was quite high already just now. Yeah, Shane, those were the two news that I saw just now during London Open. Other than that, nothing much. Oh, Africa has locked down too. Okay, anyway, my friends from Zoom, I will see you guys later. So I'll come back at 12:30 p.m. GMT. The link's already inside the Discord if you guys need it. Right.
Alright, see you later.
Farewell,
And
farewell.
Al, I have to say, man, your skin is just so beautiful.
Bro, you know what they use on my skin?
What is it?
The lady was like cross-selling some new product. Apparently it's like bird nest.
And it's working, telling you it's like shining through my screen.
Yay. That's good. I hope it's not too rich though.
Oh, it looks great. I've been looking at it for the past solid 5 minutes.
Bruh.
I'm like, is it my camera or is it your skin?
I don't even think I put on the filter. Let me check. Did I? Oh
Got
wait.
a nice sheen.
No, look, it's like 0. Touch up my appearance. There's nothing. I didn't even turn on the filter. Yeah.
But Nessie, I gotta Google that.
Yeah. Put bird nest on your face. Oh damn, look. Rejection of that zone.
Yeah, to be expected. No volume right now.
Yeah. No, but I've noticed like this timing, right? When price retest this area, like I've noticed on the 5 it works. But you gotta give it time to slowly come down. So you can't adjust your stop. So we'll see. If it holds, then maybe it'll come down to 500 like this. When this candle closes in 1 minute. And then maybe like this. Stop loss above. And then aim for 500. Risk reward is not the best in this trade. But I think it will come down. We'll see. I shall leave this on. Okay, I'll see you guys later. I'm going to take a break. Farewell, farewell. Bye Ace, good night.
Alright, see you later.
See you.